Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making fried shrimp. Let's get to it. Prepare 15 peeled raw shrimps. Add some slices of ginger. Mix well. Add cooking wine. Add soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add some ground black pepper and stir well. To make butter, add 2 mini prep balls of flour to mixing bowl. Add the same amount of starch flour to the bowl. Add 2 eggs. Add some water. Stir everything well until you got a nice butter. Preheat oil to 180 degrees. Dip shrimp into butter to coat. Drop shrimp into hot oil and fry for 30 to 60 seconds or until golden brown. Remove with slotted spoon. Then fried shrimps are ready. You can enjoy those with any dressings. For me, I like shiso fumi furikake. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. See you next time.